Okay. Differential equation, fourth module. Linear, one of the most important. Linear will be this form, py, and this one integrating factor and all. We are discussing one of the easiest question. After that, slowly we are upgrading. How many questions we can do, I don't know, but I will try. Question number fourth one. Given that dy by dx plus y cot x. Suppose dy by dx, if it comes, if dy by dx is come, right side at any cost, y should not be there. Y should not be there. Constant can be an x value. What is right side? We have 4x cosec x. After this, who is the coming along with y? That we are calling p. And right side completely we are calling q. 4x cosec x. Write it. Differential equation, when you're practicing integration and differentiation, everything will be there. 5 mark maximum weightage from this chapter, but last year case study came from this chapter. Now we have to find integrating factor, e raised to integral p dx. Sometimes MCQ will come integrating factor, e raised to, what is p? Cot x dx. What is cot x integral? Log sin x. What will be get cancelled? E and log will get cancelled. Sin x will be the sin x.
So the solution is y times sin x.
Now we have a result. Every question that result, you no need to write everything. What is that result? Y into if equal to, we know that y into if equal to integral q into if. Any question, if it comes, this is the procedure. Everything you have substituted. Your y is not there. If you have if, everything you have substituted. It is actually simple. Everyone should practice, because linear, surely this question will, some word problems are remaining, that one, some emitting that and this, like that, some questions. Y into if is what is sin x, q is 4x cosec x, if we have sin x. Yeah, cosec and sin. You people have to mark like this. This is making one. Cosec and sin, one is the reciprocal of the other. What is balance now? Y sin x equal to 4, we can take it out. Integral x dx. Am I right? Integral x dx. Y sin x 4 into x square by 2 plus c. This and this cancelled 2. So this we are calling general solution. This is equation number 1, general solution. But if they given x value and y value, you have to substitute and find that we are calling particular solution. Where y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2. Where y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 2. You will get to what is c value. Constant value you will get. Please proceed. He will sleep. And what time is better for you? Let me think about it. Huh? Morning you are not waking up. Afternoon you cannot understand anything. Then what time is suitable for you? Midnight? 1 o'clock. Old? Now substitute. Y 0. 0 into sin pi by 2 equal to 2x square 2 into pi by 2 square plus c. This is 0. 2 into pi square by 4 plus c. Am I right? 2 cancelled. What is c? Minus pi square by 2. From 1, y sin x. 2x square minus pi square by 2. C replaced is the required particular solution. Is the required particular solution. is the required particular solution. Question number second one, but a little make a pause, at least 5 or 6 questions we want to do. Question number second one, not only this one, there is second type also is there. At least first type we can make it clear today. Is the required particular solution.
So for questions we will divide both sides by x.
Second one, all of you finished? Maximum classes I am giving, whether you are utilizing or not, you have to think about. You just ask your CBSE per hour tuition how much, minimum 100 real. You just calculate, you are paying 300 to 350 real per month, not 300 also not coming. You are paying per year 3,500, 3 subject means 3,000. So you are getting approximately 12-month classes, per month 250 only coming. That also not 1 hour. How many hours? Minimum weekly you are getting 5 hours. Plus morning hours. Approximately this morning hours vacation. So how many hours you are getting? If you are going for individual tuition, it will be per hour 100. Because we people are taking here. Indian tuition per hour 100, Qatari tuition per hour 300. That's the situation. After getting this much benefit and all, many individual inquiry I'm getting. I'm not taking a beneficial benefit. When I'm taking that one, financially it is advantage. I don't want to take this much risk, but I told I'm not interested. Many cases are coming. Next one, just now one message came for applied maths, 11th monarch. Question number second one, x dy by dx, please. X dy by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x. I told you, if you want to apply linear, question number, sorry, this which question? You wrote the other one, sorry. X dy by dx plus y. Second question, x cos x plus sin x. Again, if you want to apply linear, coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. But here how much is there? X. Divide throughout by x. Divide throughout by x. When you are dividing throughout by x, dy by dx plus, here many centers are trying to finish the portion. We are portion finishing is there, but apart from that, many revisions given, whether you are utilized or not, you have to think about. Y by x, x cos x, sorry, this when you are dividing, what will be the cos x plus sin x by x. Here many times I told you, by mistakenly sin x by x, don't write 1. Then it will be sin x by x1, then limit is applying. Okay, now P. P coefficient of y. What is coefficient of y? 1 by x. Q cos x plus complete right set, but there should not be y. Now integrating factor. Integrating factor. IF equal to e raised to integral p dx 1 by x dx. What is 1 by x integral? Log x. So it will be x. E and log get cancelled. Now our result. What is our result? We know that. We know that. I'm writing now. We know that. The people are writing WKT and all. In maths, okay, but other subject, if you are writing, sometimes they will not accept. Y into IF equal to integral Q into IF dx. What is IF? X. What is Q? Bracket is compulsory. Into x. Take inside. X cos x. Sin x dx. How have you wrote? But our case study is pending now. That's something we have to do. Not getting the time to make the material. That's the problem. Now 3D material is not there. 3D not the chapter order. 3D concept order only will finish it. Image photo like that, not chapter order. Now, listen. xy equal to, first one only you have to integrate. Don't touch the second one. Don't touch the second one. Integral sin x dx, no need to do anything. That automatically get cancelled. We have to apply product rule. Isolate. First function x only. Integration by parts, everybody should know. What is integration by parts? First function into integral of the second minus integral of the derivative of the first into integral of the second. So, integration by parts also one module we discussed. This is your first function. If you want, you can mark. The second, no need to do anything. Let it be the integral sin x. Integration by parts. First function into integral of the second. What is cos x integral? Sin x. Minus integral of derivative of the first. What is derivative of the first? 1. And integral of the second. Okay. Now, I told you, second one, no need to do anything. Let it be the like that only. The reason is, this and this cancelled. This and this cancelled. Both are same. Ink is over. This and this cancelled. One is plus, one is what? Minus. What is balance? Tell me. Xy equal to x sin x plus c. This we are calling what solution? General solution. Check each and everything. That's given. Substitute x value and y value. Monarch Basil Parvesh. Applied. I really need help there saying. My wife will kill now. Already I am. Okay. Y1 x pi by 2. Y1 x pi by 2. Y1 x pi by 2. Substitute. Pi by 2 into 1. Pi by 2 into sin pi by 2. Plus c. Pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is what? 1. Pi by 2 cancel, c equal to 0. Got it? From 1, xy equal to x sin x plus 0. What we can cut on either side? X we can cut. Y equal to sin x is the required particular solution. Y equal to sin x is the required particular solution. Y equal to sin x is the required particular solution. Question number 6th one now. We'll do that, we have to separate. 6th one. Y equal to sin x is the required particular solution. Question number 6th one. Question number 6th one. But are not in the standard form. Did you notice that one? Right side y is the dy by dx is the. Why tear the paper? There is a paper is there, no? Whenever getting time, please open the notebook. Then only understand. Question number 6th one. Tan x into dy by dx. At least a question you write if you don't answer. If you don't answer also question, at least if the wrong, you will get mark after attending. Hindi I used to write. Hindi when I was studying, if I don't know the answer, reverse. Hindi normally start reverse order, no? Answer with that much I'll write. Remaining things, Hindi like that one advantage is there. Of course, teachers, if they want to give something, something you write there to make you pass also. Because to make you pass, at least something what he knows, if you are right in half mark, let it go, let it pass. Like that, they will make it. So don't skip any question. If question is wrong, full mark you will get. A equal to 2x, please, tan x plus x square minus y. I told you, Linear, if you want to apply, dy by dx coefficient should be 1. This question, integrating factor root is coming. Okay, we'll see. First, you have to divide by tan x. Do. Tan x. Now, please. Dy by dx equal to 2x x square by tan x minus y by tan x. All of you please write. I divided throughout by tan x. If you want to apply linear, coefficient should be 1. One more thing I told you, at any cost, dy by dx is the left side. At any cost, right side, what should not be the y? That y term completely you bring it. Y term, dy by dx plus y by tan x, 2x x square by tan x. Identify P and Q.
So can we write cot y, cot x one?
Oh, that you can write. If you want, you can write like that. Dy by dx plus y cot x equal to x square cot x. The x square cot x having an important role. Just like the previous question, integration by parts will come. Tell me, what is P? P is cot x.
Q is 2x plus x plus cot.
2 is 2x plus x square. I am writing x square cot x first. X square cot x plus 2x. Please write integrating factor IF. Wednesday 3D will start and DPS people will discuss what we can do. And MES also. First time taking probability distribution because case study will come from that. Last 2 years case study came from that area. Now everyone have 3D is there, no? IF equal to e raised to integral p dx cot x log sin x. So sin x is the integrating factor. G, sin x is the integrating factor. Now y into IF. Anybody utilizing that morning classes or just waking up and opening and you first realize if you are just opening and sitting, you're cheating your not parents or me, you are cheating yourself fully. It is not at all compulsory. I'm not taking attendance. I'm just checking those who are there. It is your choice. If you want, you can attend. If you don't want, you don't need to attend. I don't have any problem. But simply by opening, don't cheat by yourself itself. Don't cheat it. So if you want, you can sit. Otherwise, you leave it. Tomorrow, dot product will come. Sometimes you'll cancel. Let me discuss. Y into IF. Integral Q into IF dx. IF is what? Sin x. Q is what? X square cot x. 2x into sin x. You reach, please. Cot x into sin x is what? Cos x. Why? Cot means A. Cot means cos by sin. This sin, when you take it, that sin get cancelled, is it? So what is balance? Tell me. Y sin x, x square cos x plus 2x sin x dx. Am I right? Sin, if it is coming, cot into sin is what? Cos. Why? Cot means cos by sin. Sin and sin cancelled. Only cos will be there. This is cos. Now, integration, such a type of question, when you are applying integration, only apply integration here. This is let it be there, it get cancelled. Okay, it get cancelled. Now, yeah. Actually, linear, what I felt, only 2 or 3 questions is little difficult. 1 by root x, 1 question were there. Integrative factor also asking. Apart from that, all questions are easy. In this one, question number 11th one only little difficulty, what I felt. All other questions are easy. Even the integrative factor also they are asking that one. Y sin x integral x square cos x dx. Integral 2x sin x dx. Your highlight rule you apply only for this. This is the first function, this is second function. Let it be the second one. That will be getting cancelled. But highlight rule also given the module, no?
Into results that we are finding.
First function into integral of the second plus minus integral of the derivative of the first and the integral of the second. This is everything class alarm only. First 2 o'clock alarm and one class, that is a 4 o'clock. 2x sin x. This I didn't do anything, so we can cancel with this. Y sin x equal to x square sin x plus c. This we are calling what solution? General solution. Given x and y value, substitute, you will get the answer. Anybody have problem, let me know. Please substitute. Minus pi square by 4. Question number 6th one. Y0 x pi by 2. Whenever this value is given, that is what we are calling particular solution. Y0. 0 sin pi by 2. X square means pi by 2 square. Sin pi by 2. This is 0. Pi square by 4 into 1 plus c. C equal to minus pi square by 4. From equation 1, just replace. From 1, y sin x equal to x square sin x minus pi square by 4 is the required particular solution. They are asking general solution. Particular solution. Question number 5th one. You already asked the question 5th one. Question number 5th one. That will let be clear. Question number 5th one. Please write the question. 5th one. Question number 5th one. Question number 5th one. E raised to minus 2 root x by root x minus y by root x into dx by dy equal to 1. Can anyone tell what is the first procedure we done in this class? Dx by dy you transpose. What happens if you are transposing? Dy by dx. Multiplication will go reciprocal. And here you can see, now you can separate easily because I told you right side what should not be there? Y should not be there. This y you take that side. So you'll get dy by dx plus y by root x equal to e raised to minus 2 root x by root x. What is p? 1 by root x is standard integral I given. What is q? What is root x? Root x integral is what? 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2. 1 by root x integral 2 root x. 1 by root x integral is what? 2 root x. Integrative factor. E raised to integral p dx. 1 by root x dx. That is 1 by root x integral e raised to 2 root x. That much only the integrative factor. No log or anything. We know that y into if equal to y into. This question is easy only, very easy question. Only initially some problem, but nothing is there. You can see that it's almost cancelled everything. E raised to minus 2 root x. Now, can you tell me what is e raised to minus 2 root x, e raised to 2 root x, e raised to 0?
1.
What is e raised to 0? 1. Is it a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m? That is easy. What do you got? y e raised to 2 root x equal to integral 1 by root x dx. You know what is 1 by root x integral? Just now I taught you. What is 1 by root x integral? 2 root x plus c. This is only the solution. General solution only. No x value and y value given. Am I right? No x value and y value given. I'm completing the session over here. And remaining things we'll see. One more class we need for this. That in next class maybe 30 minutes I spent for this to complete. So practice. Many easy questions are there. You just try. If you are not getting, let me know. That's all. Bye. Take care.
Already we started differential equation. I think 4 questions we already done. That recording I will share because I told you this and the functions recording after combining the videos. I'll share it. Okay. So let us start. So already a lot of questions we done, but this important thing everybody should know integration by parts. If you don't know, that will be a big problem. So let us start. We already done the question number. I think second question we done, and question number 4th one we done, and the question number 5th one we done, and one more question we done. I'll tell you. One more question we done. One tan x into something like that. That question also we done. Yeah, 6th one also we done. So everybody should know integration by parts. Integration by parts, if you don't know, it should be very difficult. Now I'm doing question number 3rd one. Question number 3rd one. Question number 3rd one. dy by dx plus 2y tan x equal to sin x. So whenever you people are getting dy by dx like that, if you're getting, or we have to make it like that. This we are calling linear. Linear, there is a standard form I told you. This is what linear standard form equal to q, where p and q are what? Either constant or function in x. So immediately you have to identify what is your p. P equal to the coefficient of y. That is what 2 tan x. So 2 and tan x we are calling what p. And q is equal to what sin x. Try to understand q either constant or function in x only. Don't forget about that. After that, you have to find your integrating factor. Integrating factor, e raised to integral p dx is the integrating factor. So p already we found p I'm taking outside. Tan x dx. So integral tan x, basic result if you don't know this another problem. Tan x integral is what? Log sec x. Tan x integral is what? Log sec x. Don't forget about that. If anything you don't know, you write in the working column. Tan x integral is what? Log sec x. After that, we have a result. N log a result, we have log a ratio. So what happened here? This 2 will come as a power. So integrating factor will become e raised to log sec square x. This 2 will come as a power. Now e and log get cancelled. So integrating factor is what? Sec square x. Please write up to your integrating factor. We got sec square x. So all of you please write. Today we want to finish this one. Integrating factor. So integrating factor is ready with us. This is the question number we are doing. 3rd question. Now we know that this is the rule. Y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor dx. This is the rule. We'll do many questions, so many idea will get, but many what you learn already, integration by parts, everything will come. That is, be careful that if you don't know, we can't do anything. That's why I told you this chapter, if you are learning integration, differentiation, everything will come. Y into integrating factor sec square x. Q is what? Q sin x into sec square x dx. Sin x into sec square x dx. After this we have to simplify. If anybody have doubt, sin x into sec square x, how we can write it? You can write it sin x into 1 by cos square x. 10th standard, sec means what? 1 by cos square. From here, 1 by cos I wrote into sin x by cos x. Practice everything today itself. This is what sec x into tan x. So sin x into sec square x is what sec x into tan x. That's a standard result. Integral sec x into tan x dx. Integral sec x into tan x dx. That's a standard result. Integral of sec x into tan x is what is sec x. This is a standard result, first basic result. So what will be y sec square x equal to what? Sec x plus c. Because integral of sec x tan x is what? Sec x. Standard result, antiderivative. This we are calling general solution, equation number 1. This we are calling general solution. But here they asked what particular solution. Why? How we can identify it? This question they given what is y value and what is x value. Where y equal to 0, x equal to what? Pi by 3. Y equal to 0, x equal to what? Pi by 3. Y equal to 0, x equal to what? Pi by 3. Y equal to 0 and x equal to what? Pi by 3. Many people are having other classes and all, but anyway, we have to follow. And tomorrow, sometimes functions will complete. Let me see. Substitute. Y is 0. 0 into sec square pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 plus c. This is 0. Sec pi by 3 means is the reciprocal of cos pi by 3. Cos 60 how much? 1 by 2. So sec 60 will be what? 2. So c will be how much? Minus 2. From 1, y sec square x equal to sec x minus 2. This is the required particular solution. Is the required particular solution. Friday afternoon and Wednesday batch, your class will be little early. 1:30 to 3:45 will be the class. 1:30 to 3:45 or 1:45 to 4 o'clock. That's the timing, and early we can finish it. And don't forget, whenever you are getting maximum, you do MCQ question. Whether you failed 0 doesn't matter. But once you answered, check what is the correct answer, what is the wrong answer. That you check and proceed. Okay. And today your regular schedule. No, I made it early. Y sec square x equal to sec x minus 2. This is what required particular solution. That will be 1:30 to 4 o'clock maximum. Not Friday class. I'm telling today Wednesday batch is there. No, those who didn't attend the last Monday. Your timing I'm telling today 1:30 to 4, not Friday class. Friday we have exam and all now. Okay, I hope you understood this one. And DPS students, if you are there, please let me know any possibility tomorrow for teaching at least something in the this one. I mean, probability. DPS students, if possible, let me know. You decide and tell me. Delhi Public School and MES also, if possible, you tell me, because these people are having weekly tests. That's why. Other school will see what we can. Okay, I hope you understood. We done question number 2, question number 3. Now I'm doing one of the difficult question. All of you, I need your support. Last year or previous year, they asked the integrating factor from this one. Question number 11th 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 one. Today topic 3D continuation. Those who didn't attend the last, this is same topic what I took last Monday. Same topic. Those who attended Monday, no need to attend today if you want. 3D completion only. That one, 40 image perpendicular like that. No, that only. Question number 11th one. Sin 2x. It's very important question. A little harder. Only integrating factor is added. Integrating factor is added. Harder. Apart from that is easy. So I told you linear if you are applying, coefficient of dy by dx should be 1. So many trigonometry result will come. So divide throughout by what? Sin 2x. Dy by dx minus y by sin 2x equal to tan x by sin 2x. Integrating factor only the difficulty. Question is easy. Dy by dx minus y cosec 2x, because 1 by sin is what? Cosec 2x. Tan x you can write sin x by cos x. Sin 2x you can write 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. So sin x cancelled. So this will be 1 by 2 cos square x will come because cos get multiplied. So your equation becomes y cosec 2x 1 by 2 sec square x because sec cos square x down means what will be sec square x. Now identify p. P equal to minus cosec 2x q equal to what sec square x. Anybody have doubt? Let me know. Sorry, 1 by 2 sec square x 1 by 2 sec square x 1 by 2 sec square x. Question little hard. I told you, especially integrating factor. Apart from that, easy. Integrating factor we people used, right? E raised to integral p dx, e raised to integral minus cosec 2x dx. What is cosec x integral? Log cosec x minus cot x, e raised to minus log cosec 2x minus cot 2x. I think you remember many times we done in our third class or something. Instead of x what coming? Instead of x what coming? That derivative we have to divide. Here instead of x what we have 2x is there. So 2x derivative we have to divide 1 by 2. Only there only, not all divided by 2. Where you people are doing integration, integration we are doing in the power. So 2x derivative 1 by 2, that you have to divide. So I told you this today itself, I'm not telling every question. Today itself, this question again you have to do, especially integrating factor. After this one can be written as e raised to log cosec 2x minus cot 2x to the power minus half. To the power minus half. To the power minus half. How power minus half came you understood? Because we have the property. Modulus you can remove because modulus we are using logarithm defined only for what? Positive value, that's only. Now e and log get cancelled. E and log get cancelled. Please write up to you. Anybody have problem, let me know. E and log get cancelled. So it will be cosec 2x minus cot 2x to the power minus half. Convert in terms of sine and cos. So I told you integrating factor, there is a chance for MCQ also. 1 by sine 2x minus cos 2x by sine 2x to the power minus half. Denominators are same. So numerator you can simplify. 1 minus cos 2x by sine 2x to the power minus half. Observe and write. Any step of doubt is there, you can tell me the color. According to the color, I will explain it. Every time I used to tell sine 2x cos 2x result is very important. The sine 2x cos 2x result is very important. So here 1 minus cos 2x you can write 2 sin square x. And sine 2x you can write 2 sin x cos x to the power minus half. Now start cancellation. 2 cancel. 1 sine also cancel. What is sine by cos tan? Tan x raised to minus half. So integrating factor is the difficult I told you. Integrating factor 1 by root tan x. Why 1 by root tan x? Because raised to 1 by 2 means root. Raised to 1 by 2. X raised to 1 by 2 meaning is what? Root x. But minus if it is there, it will come down 1 by root x. Minus if it is coming, it will be what? 1 by root x. Don't forget it. So this is the important thing in this one. Integrating factor, how we are finding, that's the important thing. Apart from that, not that much problem. So integrating factor 1 by root tan x we got. Let's check it. Anybody have problem? Let me know. Then after that, y into if equal to integral q into if. Tomorrow, most probably, homogeneous differential equation will plan sometimes. That's a planning. Functions continuation is the function continuation. I'll make it on Friday. Let me see. 1 by root tan x. Now our rule, we know that y into if equal to integral q into if dx. So you know what is your if and what is your q. Q already we found here. The humble request only, simply don't copy, understand. If you didn't understand still, integration basic will be a problem, will be those who didn't practice that one. That what I can do, I don't know. Anyway, let's see. Integral q into, what is q? Half c square x into 1 by root x tan x dx. This is the IF. E raised to integral p dx. IF when you're finding. E raised to integral p dx. That is minus is the p is what? Minus cosec 2x. So minus came down. So cosec x integral log cosec x minus cot x. Log cosec x minus cot x. So this power is came as the, sorry, this coefficient came as a power, you know. N log A is what? Log A ratio. And then only we can cancel E and log. So cosec 2x minus this one. I converted in terms of sine and cos. Then LCM, then simplified, then I got this. Do you remember? Every time I used to tell, if denominator derivative is there in the numerator, we are calling log denominator. If it is coming inside the root, we people used to call what? Root denominator. It's happening like that only. You can check it. I'm rewriting 1 by 2 sec square x by root tan x dx. Now you see root tan x derivative is sec square x. Denominator derivative is there in the numerator. So we people are calling what? 2 root denominator. This technique I told you, many examples we did. 2 and 2 cancelled. So what is your answer? Y by root tan x equal to root tan x plus c. This is we are calling the general solution. Equation number 1. Just check it. But the question is not general solution. Question is what? Particular solution. Question is what? Particular solution. For this, y0 x pi by 4, where y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 4. Y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 4. LPP, you have to draw and practice. Anybody have any doubts how we are getting the region and all, you can ask me. Recording also will give you. Y0, so 0 by root tan pi by 4. Root of tan pi by 4 plus c. 0 equal to 1 plus c, c equal to what? Minus 1. From 1, y by root tan x equal to root tan x minus 1 is the particular solution. If you want, you can take LCM. Y equal to tan x minus root tan x is the required particular solution. Root tan x, I multiplied this one, cross multiplication. So y equal to tan x minus root tan x is the required particular solution. Y equal to tan x minus root tan x is the required particular solution. Y equal to tan x minus root tan x is the required particular solution. So I hope everyone understood how we done this. Please check it. So far we done y into if. Y into if. There is a chance for x into if also. That after this question we are doing. Question number 12th one. If anybody have any preference also, you can ask me. Not now, after finishing 12 and 13. If you are not getting same answer, you can ask me. Your initiative is very important. Again and again I repeat it. Question number 12th one. Green step this only. This we got, then 2 cancelled. Do what is before IF? Before IF, what is the green stuff? That is the coefficient of, you got dy by dx minus y cosec 2x equal to half. This one I changed, no? We have to divide throughout by what? We have to divide throughout by 1 minus cos 2x. Do 1 minus cos 2x here LCM I took. Ahan, to whom you are chatting, Ahan? See, simply if you don't want, you don't need to say it. Those who are chatting each other, you can go, no problem. See, this one we got because I converted into sine and cos. It is 1 by sine. This is what cos by sine. So denominators are same, so I changed it. So 1 minus cos 2x is what 2 sine square x. Every time I used to tell. And sine 2x is what 2 sine x cos x. Now 2 cancel, 1 sine also cancel. So by sine by cos is what a tan. Like that only we are getting tan. So once you got tan, then power minus half. You know, power half means what? Root. So minus half is coming. Okay, next question. Question number 12th one. So second type of this one. We very rarely we done to 12th one. Question number 12th one. Sanan, just tell to Sanan. This is not the time. We have only 1 hour. Already 24 minutes is over. Question number 12th one. Dx by dy plus x cot to y. See, right side completely y or constant. Right side completely y. So such cases we have a standard form. Dx by dy plus px equal to q. Previously py equal to q. Now px. Dx by dy. Dx by dy. So right side completely y. Right side at any cost. X should not be there. Here right side at any cost. Y should not be there. Here y should not be there. That's the thing. So this one. So it is in the form of this one already. So in this case, what is coming coefficient of x? That will be our p. Coefficient of this one, p equal to cot y. Because here dx by dy came, previously dy by dx. By practicing only you people can make it perfect. And q equal to 2y plus y square cot y. Now integrating factor, listen. E raised to integral p dy, not x. Integral cot y dy. Cot x integral log sin x. So you can write e raised to log sin y. So e and log get cancelled. Integrating factor is what is sin y. Please write up to your integrating factor sin y. Similar type, one more question I'll give you. Everything practice, don't forget it. Integrating factor sin y. So I hope everyone understood this. Now, not y into if. Previously we wrote y into if. Here it's not like that. X into if equal to integral q into if dy. Wherever y is there, we change it to x. X we change it to y, like that only. What is if? Sin y. Q is what? 2y plus y square cot y into sin y. Now you take sin y inside. X sin y equal to, integration is there, dy is there, 2y sin y plus y square into cot y, you can write what? Cos y by sin y into sin y dy. What I done here, I took a sin y inside here as well as here. But to cot y, we can write what? Cos y by sin y. Like that you can write it. Now what? I told you last class some technique, this one. I mean the first one when I discussed it. So x sin y equal to integral y square cos y dy plus integral 2y sin y dy. See, this one I wrote first. Why we are writing this? Don't touch it. Let it be there like that only. Don't touch it. because it is get cancelled. That's this one. And here we have to apply integration by parts Eilert rule. According to our Eilert rule, algebraic is function first, then trigonometry. X sin y equal to first function into integral of the second cos y integral sin y minus integral of the derivative of the first into, those who don't know integration by parts, please collect the video and make it clear. Let me see to do one video for that also. Anyway, very early it won't be possible. 2y and integral of the second, that is what sin y dy. This is what we are calling integration by parts for this. After the remaining things, let it be there like that only. Why I told you remaining things no need to do anything, because it is get cancelled. It is cancelled. Now x sin y square sin y plus c is the required general solution. This is what we are calling the general solution. This is what we are calling the general solution, but condition is there x is 0 y pi by 2, where x is 0 y pi by 2, x is 0 y pi by 2, x is 0 y pi by 2, x is 0 y pi by 2. So 0 into sin pi by 2, pi by 2 square sin pi by 2 plus c, this is 0, pi by 2 square pi square by 4 into 1. So c value equal to minus pi square by 4. Minus pi square by 4 from 1. This is equation number 1. From 1, x sin y equal to y square sin y minus pi square by 4 is the required particular solution. 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 Tawheed, you have school classes, no? That you didn't attend. I told already those who are school, please focus on that. Is the required particular solution. I'm doing next to 13th one, 1-3. 13th one. Plus immediately after this one, it will be there in the YouTube. Please utilize it. Question number 13th one. 1 plus y square, little difficult. X minus e raised to tan inverse y dy by dx equal to 0. Try to understand. X alone, if it is there, x alone, if it is there, it will be which form? Dx by dy form. X alone. Y alone, if it is there, it will be dy. Here y alone you can see. Like that one technique also you can use. Y alone, if it is there, it will be dy by dx form. X alone, if it is there, it is what? X alone. This question, if you are checking, you can see. You can see. Here you can see x, no y. If x is, y is there, but y is combined. X alone, x got to y, x 2x 3x alone. Like that, if it is coming, that is dx by dy. Here y alone. And this question is what? Like that you have to understand anyway. We have to rearrange it. Here also what? Y is there. See? Here also you can see y. Alone means y along with some coefficient. So this question, little difficult. So listen carefully how I'm doing it. So initially I'm writing transpose to other side. So e raised to tan inverse y minus x equal to dy by dx. What happened here? When you're transposing this term to other side, it will become a negative term. It will become a negative term. It will become a negative term. So negative term is this term will be reverse the position. We done in homogeneous somewhere we done. Now after that dy by dx you transpose. That's a multiplication. When we are transpose, it will become dx by dy e raised to tan inverse y minus x. When you're transposing, it will become dx by dy. Now right side x is not allowed. Right side x is not allowed. You bring it left side. Question practice today itself, this one, immediate after the class. Now I told you if you want to apply coefficient of dx by dy or dy by dx should be what? 1. Divide. Only initial part only difficult. 1 plus y square when you're dividing. Dx by dy plus x by 1 plus y square equal to this one. P is coefficient of x, that is 1 by 1 plus y square. And q right side completely, there should not be any x. Now please find the integrating factor, IF. Just try. IF equal to e raised to integral p dy p. What is 1 by 1 plus x square? Standard result, e raised to tan inverse y. That only the integrated factor. There is no log. Log, if it is there, only we used to cancel. 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. That is a standard result, tan inverse y. Now, x into if equal to integral q into if dy. X into e raised to tan inverse y. Q into q is what? E raised to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into e raised to tan inverse y dy. This is what your q. Already wrote somewhere. This is q. Now e raised to tan inverse y, a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. X e raised to tan inverse y equal to 1 plus y square dy. Here one tan inverse y, here also one tan inverse y. Together is making 2 tan inverse y. Now substitution you have to do. After this substitution you have to do. Put this part. 2 tan inverse y equal to u. 2 tan inverse y equal to u. So, because otherwise we can't simplify it. Therefore, derivative. What's tan inverse y derivative? 1 by 1 plus y square. 1 by 1 plus y square. 1 by 1 plus y square equal to du by dy, because we are differentiating with respect to y. So this one can be, this we replaced by u. Therefore, 1 by 1 plus y square dy can be replaced by du by 2. Du by 2. Just check every step. Anybody have problem, let me know. Therefore, x e raised to tan inverse y, e raised to u du by 2, x e raised to tan inverse y, e raised to u integral is what? E raised to u only. U you replace. 1 by 2 e raised to. U is what? 2 tan inverse y. Plus c. This is what your general solution. This is what your general solution. Just check it. Anybody have problem, let me know. Yeah, general solution only asked. I think same thing only we got. Is the required general solution. There is no x value and y value. Is the required general solution. Now I'm doing after this first question, but in between, everything we can't finish. I told you 10:37 is the time. If anybody have any question, doubt, you can ask me. Already 4 questions we done in the previous session and all. Everything combine and I'll give you. I'm doing first question. If anybody have any other doubt, of course you are most welcome. But what I discussed in last class, don't ask. Whether discuss it or not, when you're asking, I'll tell you. Question number first one after this. Integration by parts will come. First one. Question number first one. This is you finished, I think. Question number first one. X plus 1 into dy by dx minus y equal to e raised to 3x into x plus 1 whole cube. The first procedure is x plus 1 you have to divide throughout. So what will be? Dy by dx minus y by x plus 1 equal to e raised to 3x into x plus 1 whole square. Identify your p and q. P equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. Q equal to e raised to 3x into x plus 1 whole square. When we are dividing here, one x plus 1 will go everywhere, it will be like that. Minus 1 by x plus 1, q equal to this one. Now integrating factor, because it is everything in x, dy by dx came. 1 by x plus 1 dx. 1 by x plus 1 means log x plus 1. And this minus you can keep as a power. So minus 1, e and log get cancelled. So x plus 1 inverse will be the, what is x plus 1 inverse 1 by? This is what your integrative factor. Now y into if equal to integral q into if. This is the first question we are doing. Anybody have any doubts after the class? You can ask what's the main side and understand this step, how it came for this one. This don't forget to ask. Some people are feeling shy to ask. So should not be there like that. Whatever doubts are there. Yesterday I put one status. I don't know whether you checked that. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute. The man who does not ask is a fool forever, for life. That's a correct only. That particular moment, sometimes you'll face some issue. But once it's solved, otherwise, if you are not solving that issue, throughout your life, it will be that problem. So try to understand. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute, correct only. The man who does not ask is a fool for life. This is the correct quote, sir. So just to try to understand. Now, what do we know? We know that y into if equal to y into if equal to. You please proceed, no need to wait. Y into if equal to integral q into if dx. So y into 1 by x plus 1 equal to, what is q? E raised to 3x, x plus 1 whole square. One more x plus 1 we can cancel. So according to the Eilert rule, you can apply. According to the Eilert rule, exponential is coming last. So you rearrange it. X plus 1 into e raised to 3x dx. Why? After algebraic only exponential is coming. So please write. First function into integral of the second minus integral of the derivative of the first function into integral of the second e raised to 3x integral e raised to 3x by 3. Why you know, I think, because instead of x what came that derivative minus integral of the x plus 1 derivative is what to 1. E raised to 3x integral is what this one. Integration by parts, so don't forget, again and again I repeat. X plus 1 into e raised to 3x by 3 minus 1 by 3. There is a 1 by 3 you can see. What is e raised to 3x? Again we have to integrate. E raised to 3x integral what? E raised to 3x by 3 plus c. So your general solution. Integration by parts, one of the most important. Let me see after our exam and all. And what I want to say, you will have continuous classes, whether school exam or not, I don't bother about that because especially Burla people be careful because once this exam is got over, immediate after they are starting second pre-board December first week. So we won't get the time to finish the probability. So class will continue as usual. So everyone, please make it clear at least this much chapter for your upcoming exam. So to score at least 40 mark. So this is the thing. So particular or general. It is general solution is the required general solution. There is no x value and y value. There is no x value and y value. So we done first question, second question, third question, fourth question, fifth question. Any other doubt anybody of you can ask me. I'll go ahead with that. Please let me know. Sixth question we didn't do, I think. Seventh also we didn't do. Eighth also we didn't do. Now I'm doing eighth. If anybody have any other concern, please let me know. Eighth question. Eighth question. Eighth question. 1 plus x square dy by dx equal to e raised to m tan inverse x minus y. So at any cost, y should not be the rise. A similar type of question we done. Something e raised to, yeah, almost the similar type only. But there is, it was in y, it is in this type x. So what you can write? Right side at any cost, y should not be there. That I told you because dy by dx means y should be here. Divide both the numerator and denominator by 1 plus x square. So identify your p. 1 by 1 plus x square. Q. E raised to m tan inverse x by 1 by 1 plus x square. Now integrating factor. Integrating factor. After that, I'll do 10th one. This is the question number 8th one. Integrative factor. E raised to integral p dx. 1 by 1 plus x square dx means that's tan inverse x. So integrative factor is ready. E raised to tan inverse x. 1 by 1 plus x square standard result only. Now we know that y into if equal to integral q into if. We know that y into if equal to. So y e raised to tan inverse x. E raised to m tan inverse x by 1 plus x square into e raised to tan inverse x. Anybody have any problem, let me know. Simply don't write it. Here m tan inverse x, here tan inverse x. We can add both. So it's not a numerical value. So what we can write? E raised to m plus 1 tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Why m plus 1? Because here this and this we have to add. M tan inverse x plus tan inverse x. Tan inverse x commonly took it outside. Only m plus 1 will be. Now here your substitution. This one is the u. How we done in the previous question like that you carry. Question difficulties will be there. And after that I'm doing one more question. Then I'll stop this. So I hope everyone understood. Put m plus 1 into tan inverse x equal to y. When you're differentiating, what's tan inverse x derivative? 1 by, so not y, use u, because y already there in the question, okay? So 1 plus x square du by dx. So 1 by 1 plus x square dx can be replaced by du by m plus 1. Previous one question was it is what du by 2 came. Therefore, y e raised to tan inverse x equal to e raised to u into du by m plus 1. What is e raised to u integral? E raised to u, okay? E raised to u integral is what? E raised to u only. Y e raised to tan inverse x 1 by m plus 1 e raised to u plus c. You please replace 1 by m plus 1 e raised to, what is u? M plus 1 into tan inverse x plus c is the record general solution. Is the record general solution. Is the record general solution. They asked, sorry, particular solution they asked. Substitute the value. Y equal to 1, x equal to 0. Where y equal to 1, x equal to 0. 1 into e raised to tan inverse 0. 1 by m plus 1 into plus c. Tan inverse 0 is what? 0. So e raised to 0. E raised to m plus 1 into 0. E raised to 0 is what? 1. Here also e raised to 0 is what? 1. So 1 minus 1 by m plus 1 equal to c. C equal to m plus 1 minus 1 by m plus 1. 1 and 1 cancels. C equal to m by m plus 1. From equation 1, C you replace. From equation 1, C you replace. From equation 1, C you replace. Last question. So there won't be any further discussion for this topic now. So be careful. Last question I'm doing. 10th one, previously asked question. 10th one. So almost many questions we done here. Many questions if you try, you'll get it. 10th question now, the last one. We done 11th. We done 12th. We done 13th. 15th. Now last 10th one. Don't forget to replace C value from 1. From 1, C value please replace. I think this question last year or recent exam somewhere I saw, 10th question. DPS also be careful. Sometimes your weekly test you can ask. 10th question. Dy by dx. There is a minus sign, don't miss it. X plus y cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. So this we can separate. Minus x by 1 plus sin x. Minus y cos x by 1 plus sin x. The denominator is I separated. Denominator I separated along with this by this and this by this, like that. Easy only by seeing the question. Sometimes you feel right side at any cost y should not be there. I told you many times that. So dy by dx plus y cos x by 1 plus sin x, that term I transposed. This is our standard form. Now what is p? P equal to cos x by 1 plus sin x q minus x by 1 plus sin x. Right side y should not be there, and any other things doesn't matter. Now integrative factor, denominator derivative is coming in the numerator. I told you already, denominator derivative is the log denominator with the root if it is coming to root denominator. Many times, many videos I explained that. Now IF, e raised to integral p dx, cos x by 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x derivative only cos x. So e raised to log denominator. So it will be what? 1 plus sin x. The integrating factor we got 1 plus sin x. Now easily you'll get to, because when you're multiplying, integrating factor get cancelled. We know that y into if equal to integral q into if. Y into if equal to y into 1 plus sin x minus x by 1 plus sin x into 1 plus sin x. Only the initial step, only the problem. After that is easy, cancelled. Now integration. What is x integral? Minus x square by 2 plus c. This is what required general solution, but condition is there. y1 where y1 x is 0. y1 x 0. I request everyone today still practice this one. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time this today and tomorrow. Maximum utilize whenever you are getting holiday. So when you're substituting, y value is 0, 1 plus sine 0, both are 0, y value 1, sorry, y value 1, 10th question, y value 1, x value 0. 1 into 1 plus sine 0, minus 0 square by 2 plus c. 1 equal to c. C value 1. From 1, c value replace. So from 1, y into 1 plus sine x minus x square by 2 plus 1 is the required particular solution. So linear order and degree discussed. Linear differential equation also discussed. And tomorrow I'll come with a homogeneous differential equation. Try to make a little early. Let me see. Okay, that's all. Bye. Take care.